So this is the demo video of our project. Now let me first show you all the pages that like all the windows that are required for you to see. So this is the repository on my local system inside the folder, and this is the hackathon page. This is the website that we will scrap. It is called Retail Human Standard Calls. So this is a website which will scrape, and this is my scrapper. So all the scrappers are here on the brightdata.com, my scrapper library. So these are all my scrappers, and this is the github repository that is being hosted here. So it is working completely automated, but for to show you the demo, let's run this repository here on our end. So let's run the command npm run orchestrate. Okay, so what this command will do is it will initiate the scrappers on this bright data website. Here it will initiate this scrappers, and this scrappers will then start scrapping these websites and pull the result on an HTML file. So let me help you understand it by running the scrapper. So as you can see, it has initiated this scrappers. So it is now communicating with the bright data scrappers, my scrappers, and the scrappers have started scrapping this website, which I have just showed you. It will fetch all these details into a file. So it is fetching the page as of now, and my codes, this codes are running. So they will scrap the job profiles from that website. So as you can see, this is a healthy run. It found 37 records, basically 37 job positions, and there are no error as such. So this is the real time running right now. This is live. We are running it in our computer system. So this is a complete healthy run. Now before I show you like the results it has pulled, first let me tell you that this what we ran here, like what the command that we ran here to initiate this scrapper, this is as of now completely automatically running through the pipeline on the GitHub. So let me show you the actions. So on action, this is also building and deploying the page. So as you can see, let's click on the pipeline. So as you can see, this is the complete pipeline. This pipeline is working in an interval of 11 or 45 minutes to 12 hours. So almost every 12 hours, this pipeline automatically runs in my computer, and it fetch the detail from the from this hiring website. So if anytime a new job is listed here, like as of now there are only 37 position. So if a new, for example, 3 to 4 new jobs or positions are open here. So like in the interval my scrapper is running, so in the next interval it will show the result of this 3 to 4 new jobs, and it will fetch those results. So as you can see, this is as of now it is running completely automated without any human interval, without me instructing it to run. So let's open one of the pipelines to see what has been fetched earlier. So in the earlier run, as you can see, let me open this. So as you can see, in the earlier run there were 33 records on this website. So basically there were 33 job roles on this on one of the scheduled runs, and then when it ran automatically the next time there were 37. So 4 new jobs were like listed on the website, and then whatever scrapper did in that interval, so maybe here there were only 33 job roles, and between this time interval a few jobs were introduced on the website. So it ran on 21st August on 5:48 p.m., and the second automated ran the pipeline ran on 22nd of August on 5:56 a.m. So between these two intervals, maybe 3-4 more jobs were introduced on the website. So what it did, it scraped those website and it listed eventually here. So as you can see, this is the timeline of the changes that are made. So any changes made on the website will be shown here. So as you can see, this passed all the tests. As you can see, there were 2 new jobs that were introduced. So the storage got increased with 2 new updates, as you can see here. Then it ran another pipeline, and there were no jobs new added. Then here on this pipeline 4 new jobs were again introduced. So before this there were in total 33, as we just saw, and here 4 new jobs role were introduced, so increased to 37 here. So this shows the current value of the like the data pipeline. So there were 31 job roles already, 2 were introduced. So in the next it shows that 0 were added and the current was 33, which is 31 plus 2. Here it ran again, there were 33 already and 4 new were added. So now the updated is 37, and this is the URL. Like it creates a URL HTML file of all the jobs that it scrapes. As of now, here also it says 37. So you can just click on one of those and you can just find the job. You can directly reach the job URL, the actual URL where you can apply for the jobs. So now you can have the option here to upload the resume. Now the system also smartly builds the resume. I'll show you this in the next part of this video. So what it does, it will give you a customized resume for this job profile that you are applying, that you selected for. So it will create a resume, so you can just directly, you will be able to upload your resume here directly. So this is the complete workflow of the pipeline, and let me also show you this in the audit file as well. So this is the audit file. It runs every now and then. So as you can see in the audit trail, like the audit log, as you can see, there were 31 initial jobs, then there were 33, and again there were 33, and after that run, all the orchestrator I ran thereafter, they had 37 jobs. So this is the complete workflow, like the complete automated workflow of our automatically updating pipeline. Now I will show you how the self-healing works when something breaks. So what we will do is, we will have a GitHub page, we will break the DOM, the HTML code of that URL, so that we will so that I can explain you the self-healing process. So as of now, whatever you have seen as of now, this is completely automated and it does not require human intervention. So as you can see, this is pages build and deploys. So this page which is being built, this timeline page, and also this another page, this page that you are seeing, which is jobs.html, this is deployed on the GitHub. So it is being edited automatically on the GitHub. So the pipeline is completely automated. If a new job is introduced here, our scrapper will run like the automatic pipeline here on the GitHub, and it will fetch the records. Maybe if a few new jobs are introduced, so it will update this audit trail. So it will show the update here showing that new job profiles were introduced, and it will also update this HTML page, jobs.html page. So you can directly, you will be able to find all the listings directly here, and you will be able to click and apply. It will also create the automated resume, which I'll show you later. So all you need eventually is to click here and upload the resume. So now let me show you the breaking pipeline. And